It's a 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. Comfortable for people, spacious for cargo, and styled to lift standards. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, external memory control, aluminum wheels, smartphone wireless charging, and power heated mirrors. Cars.com notes that highway cruising is a strong point. The Santa Fe's cabin is quiet and its ride smooth, challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.